killed the light. The city's loud, but I'm quiet inside. Fake conversations took my breath. Now I'm learning silence instead of regret. They say lonely is a dangerous sound, but I found myself with no one